Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make a quick and easy meal. It is Friday, and I want a quick meal for my family. So I greased my pan with olive oil, and I'm going to use these frozen cheese raviolis. I'm going to lay them on the pan. Try to lay them as flat as possible. I know I put a lot, but it's okay. I have some for other days. I like leftovers. I'm going to put a bag of mozzarella cheese, shredded cheese. I mean, if you want to shred it yourself, you can go ahead. So I'm just going to lay all that out. And I decided to put a second bag, so I like cheese. Okay, well, I made some chicken the day before. So it's just cold chicken. And I'm just going to shred it and put it on top of the cheese and frozen cheese ravioli. Super simple. I told you it's super simple. I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven at 370. And then I'm going to go ahead and start making my sauce to put into the casserole. All right, I'm going to put 1 stick of butter. I told you it is super simple. I don't even like to measure. So just 1 stick of butter. Okay, with my stick of butter, I'm going to use a quart of heavy whipping cream. Put that in the pan. Then I'm going to use a whole bottle of, I guess you can say a jar. It's a plastic jar. Bottle or jar of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. You could probably put half, but I just decided to put the whole thing. I like the grated Parmesan cheese. It's so good. So I placed it all in the pan. I'm going to let it simmer, and I'm going to add some spices. So I'm going to go ahead and add my oregano leaves. I'm going to add some pepper. And you can add salt if you would like. I added some sea salt, but there was a lot of salt in the grated Parmesan, so you could take it out if you want. And I added some garlic powder. So I suggest you taste it and see if it's too much for you. But yeah, let it simmer together. Put it on the side, and I tasted it to see if I needed to add whatever. So, but it was great. It was so good, actually. I was really hungry. I just came from work. So this recipe is for everybody. As you know, I'm a teacher. I'm a homesteader, so this is great. So I poured the mixture, liquid mixture, all over the pan. So good. Make sure it was kind of spread it evenly. Yeah, it was good. And I placed it in the pan. I placed it in the oven. And I decided to put some foil on top. And I'm going to bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. While it is baking, I found some salads, already made salad, at the grocery store. It's clearance, so those are my favorite. I'm going to make a simple salad, so I'm going to put some croutons and then a dressing. Super simple. I could add tomatoes. You can, whatever you want. I just decided not to. So it's going to be a simple crouton salad. And voila, there you go. Super simple supper. And I'm going to use the leftovers for meal for the next day. And I have some for later I'm going to put it in the freezer. All right. Have a great day. Bye.